Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna learn how to find the equation of the perpendicular line, right, to another line, and providing that you're gonna go through a point. Alright. Okay, so how we proceed about this. The first step is always to start with the provided line. Alright, so we have 3y minus x equals to 9. So what we want to figure out from here, we want to figure out what the slope of this line. Alright, we're going to call it m. So in order to find the m, I need to solve for the y and put it into the slope-intercept form. So this is going to be moving the x first. It's going to be 3y, it's going to be equals to x plus 9. The minus x became plus. So do you notice here I'm moving the x because my y's are positive, alright? Otherwise I would have to move the y's to make it positive, alright? So once I'm in this stage, what I want to do is I want to divide all the terms by 3, and what you need to pay attention to is what you are dividing by 3 here is not actually the x, is the coefficient of the x, which is 1 in this case, alright? So my equation will become y, the 3 here and 3 here cancels out, equals to 1 over 3 times x plus 9 over 3, which is 3, right? The only important information from here is the 1/3. Alright, so I'm gonna put m equals to 1 over 3. So now, since I am not looking for the parallel line or any other line except the perpendicular one, what I need to do is I need to figure out what the perpendicular slope, and the perpendicular slope, we're gonna use this formula. Alright, so do you see it here? The slope of the perpendicular one is gonna be opposite of reciprocal. So in other words, the m perpendicular that I'm looking for is gonna be minus 1 over m. Alright, and in this case the reciprocal of 1/3 is gonna be 3 over 1, and the opposite sign is going to be minus sign. So that's equivalent of saying the m perpendicular equals to minus 3, right? Okay, so at this stage, what do I get? I get a point, which is equals to 5, 2, that's the provided point into the text. And I get as well a slope that I want to use, well, is the slope of the perpendicular, which is minus 3. So as it sounds, again, is point slope. The best formula to use is, again, the point slope formula. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it in. Y minus y1 equals to m perpendicular, in this case, that's what I'm using, times x minus x1, right? So x1 and y1 are 5 and 2, so I'm gonna plug them in. And again, remember that I have a minus sign here incorporated in the formula, so I just have to flip the signs of this, right? So plugging in the coordinate, the x and y, this is going to be y minus 2 equals to minus 3 times x minus 5. So from here I want to solve for the y, so I'm going to start by making distribution of the minus 3, so y minus 2 equals to minus 3x plus 15. Move the minus 2 to the other side, and this will become y equals to minus 3x plus 15, and the minus 2 will become plus 2, right? And the answer will be y equals to minus 3x plus 17. That's all.